Ay! Is that your way of talking to me? Were you like that, love? This is the first time ba nga ma-witness ni daddy ang imong ginabuhat? Oh, grabe. Aray ko. No shouting, please. Kaya nagatulog ang baby dito. Ay, hindi kayo patulfugid ka. Sige ka. Shh. Ay. Ay! Scholar. Ay! Aray ko! Kadlok! Ay! I'm scared! Uy! Uy! Noon naman siya! Kapila yung adlaw, sige siya gigan.
Kaduha.
Kagapon po tigay nga. What's happening? Uy! Why are you like that? Are you shouting? Huh? No one's hurting you. But why are you like that? My goodness. You don't do that. There's no need to shout. Uy. Just talking. Just calm down. My goodness. You're like a monster. Monster Matias. Oh my God. Ay. Ay, Lord. Ay. Aray ko.
Dito sa mga kay Gunit.
Matias the monster. Rawr. Rawr. Ay. Don't you feel tired?